Well, I finally got it all put together, and I'll just walk you through some of the things that I didn't show in the video. One, for finish, I put tung oil on it, about 2 coats, and then shellac on the whole thing, about 3 or 4 coats on the shelves, just 2 coats on the rest of it, and then steel wool in between, and then a wax and steel wool at the end, and it has a nice smooth finish. Some of the things I had to do a little different from the designs was that these webs obviously provide support for these very thin sort of stretchers and shelf supports, and I knew that, so I designed these in similarly with these to keep the piece from racking. And what I failed to do was incorporate something similar down here, and so this joint this way was very weak, and this way was very weak with just the small splines in it. So I ended up putting a dowel in here, which is okay, it's just maple, and I ended up putting a piece of poplar in the bottom to tie in the front to the sides, and so that stiffened it up a little bit. Not having stretchers at the bottom was part of the design. However, you know, it's a little bit weak. If somebody bashed into this or whatever, and they're not really kept in line as well, they may warp a little over time. Other than that, I attached the top shelf with figure 8s. The bottom shelf goes through the apron here. The middle shelf, there was really no place to put front supports, but I simply put screws through the back, which was my plan, and that seems to have secured it well enough. It's not a heavy use piece of furniture. So overall, I'm pretty happy with it. I love the chatoyance that comes off the curly maple. I like the design, and I'm pretty happy with the whole thing.